Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. This is Rafe from Raytech Studio, and today we are gonna be talking or taking a look at the Twisted Minds TM27-inch 165Hz gaming monitor. And so we are super excited to test it out and see how this monitor actually performs in the real life scenarios, and will this monitor be your next monitor into your setup or not. So watch this video till end because you guys will definitely be surprised to see the results. But before moving further, quickly go down and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming exciting content. With that out of the way, let's unbox it first and see what we have got inside the box. Moreover guys, we are also gonna be mounting this monitor on the TM monitor arm, as this will be giving a floating look to this monitor. And before buying a monitor arm, always make sure that this arm can support the size and the weight of this monitor. Alright guys, let's just dive into it. Well, the design language of this monitor is pretty modern and quite minimal. At the back side, we see the Twisted Minds branded, which looks super clean, and we also have a honeycomb grill kind of a pattern at the bottom for more minimal aesthetics. Then we have a joystick which can be used to navigate between various modes on this monitor, and we will be talking about that in the later part of the video, so watch this video till the end. At the front, we have our gorgeous looking 27 inches IPS panel with narrow bezels, and then we also have a Twisted Minds logo at the bottom, and overall it's pretty standard looking flat screen monitor. The bezels are also quite tiny and give this monitor a modern and a sleek look. Moreover, as this is a complete plastic build, so the build quality is quite decent. So we have no major complaints with this. But there is one problem. The stand in the box has a limited functionality, and due to this, the ergonomics of this monitor are not that great. Yes guys, like you can't even rotate it to portrait mode, so you can only tilt it forward and backward, and even that is also limited to 5 to 15 degrees. So yeah, if you are someone who can't ignore this, you will definitely have to buy a proper monitor arm with it. Moreover, at the back we have 75x75mm Versa mount, so you can easily attach any kind of a monitor arm with it. Let's talk about the ports. This Twisted Mind monitor comes with HDMI 2.0 port, a display port which is of course 1.4, and an audio port. This is awesome for this monitor as this is a 165Hz panel with 0.5 millisecond response. Do you know what is more awesome about this monitor? The specs and the gaming experience. Well, this is a 1080p 165Hz HDR ready flat panel with 0.5 millisecond response time, and overall image quality is pretty decent. The ghosting is super minimal in this panel, which is awesome as this will be giving an edge to the competitive gamers. Moreover, in the setting menu, you also switch on the overdrive and MRPT modes, and this will further reduce the ghosting during competitive gaming. And this monitor is G-Sync and AMD FreeSync as well. This is also going to help you a lot in achieving the variable refresh rate and in reducing the screen tearing. It also going to help a lot in the retaining details in fast motions games while not affecting the overall gaming experience. This monitor also comes with a contrast ratio of 1000 ratio into 1 and also covers 81.89% of colors in NTSC color space, guys. So out of the box, this monitor gives pretty decent colors with great viewing angles, and you won't be having any kind of problems with this. So we are super satisfied by the gaming performance of this monitor, and definitely we are going to recommend to anyone looking for a good quality gaming monitors in budget price, then you have this one. Let's talk about the price and the warranty. Well, Twisted Mind is giving away this monitor in the price rate of $153 and also giving a warranty of 2 years on all of their products. So what are you guys waiting for? Order today and get yourself a Twisted Mind 165Hz gaming monitor. Well, that was it about the Twisted Mind 27-inch FHD 165Hz monitor. Let us know what you think about this and tell us into your comments. We will be definitely answering you over there, and I will see you into the next one now, guys.